Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Rater. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/theramenrater and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Rater, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Vietnam. This is from a company that I have trouble pronouncing. It's a new distributor down in Texas, and I talked to them recently, and yeah, when I open it up, I'll probably have a better time pronouncing it, so let's crack these open and have a look inside. Okay, so I think the company's name is Thien Huong or Thien Huong. I'm not sure. I'll have to figure it out. I'll get that better when I start doing the actual cooking videos. But let's go through these. This one is lemon chicken flavor instant noodles. This one's particularly interesting. This is in kind of a paper package, and I'm assuming that the inside is kind of got like a waxiness to it. This is a shrimp. I'm just gonna guess it's shrimp flavor. Next we have a beef pho. Here's another one. This is spicy shrimp flavor. Now this one's called Mi Qua Tu Den. I think qua is crab, but I could be wrong. This one's Mi Bo Nam Sot Vang. It says beef flavor. And now that I see that one says beef flavor, this one says... And this first one that looked like that, this one's black pepper crab flavor. So I was at least right on the qua. And finally, we've got an artificial pork flavor. So yeah, this is for an upcoming Meet the Manufacturer series. I want to thank Thien Huong for shooting these over. I want to make sure that I get the name right, so... I will be asking, and then when I do the Instant Noodle Recipe Time episodes, I'll have that in check. I hope I'm right, but I might not be, so I guess I'll find out. Nice looking range here, and yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.